Hi friends, welcome back to Rachel Chidema Crochet. Yeah, today I'll be making new design. So if you really want to get it the way I did my own, don't skip any part of this video. Watch every part of this video. So I've already taken my measurements. So I'll be starting the front design. Then this is the back design. So don't forget I'm working on size 26. So I will start from here. So here we're going to make 22 chains. 22 chains. There you can see it. Then you fix here. Then on the next stitch, you make a single crochet and turn. So once you turn, you skip the 2 stitches on the sew. 1, 2. Then start crocheting on the 22 chains you made. So you work to the end. That's it. Then you work on the first 2 stitches of the sew. Then on the next stitch, you make a single crochet and then turn. So this is the first row. So I'm going to start the second row. On the second row, skip the 2 stitches on the sew. Then you start working. So we are still maintaining the 22 stitches we have. So I'm now on the second row. Work to the end. So at the end of second row, you make single crochet on the first 2 stitches of the sew. And turn. So to start the third row, also skip the first 2 stitches of the sew. We are still maintaining the 22 stitches we have on the third row. Here you can see it. Then to start the fourth row, we are going to skip 1 stitch. Then start working on the next stitch. On the fourth row, skip 1 stitch. You work to the end. Here you can see it. Then you work on 2 stitches of the sew. Then to start the fifth row, skip 1 stitch. So you continue working. So to start the sixth and the seventh row, you skip the 2 stitches of the sew. But to start the 8th and the ninth row, you skip 1 stitch of the sew. Then 10th, 11th, 12th and 13th stitch, you are going to skip the 2 stitches of the sew. So now I'm going to make use of 4 size 9 black thread to create a design now. Just watch out. Yeah, you can see it. Then fix your crochet hook like this. Yeah, you can see it. Then tie it round it. You can see it. Yeah, you can see it. So we are going to make the back design. Just crochet round the back. You can see it. So you make 8 rows. So this is the 8 rows. Then cut it off. Then here we're going to make 25 chains. You can see it. Then single crochet here. Then continue working single crochet till you make 4 rows of single crochet. 4 rows. You make 1 chain and turn. So I'm now on the first row. After this, you make more 3 rows. Yeah, you can see it. The next thing now is to fix the buckle. Just stitch it round. Yeah, you can see it. Then buckle it. Yeah, you can see it. So you can now create any design of your choice at the back. You can see this one. See what I made? So I made this with slip stitch. I created this design with slip stitch. You can create any design of your choice. So that is how I got this. Wow. Thank you. So if you really love this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to crochet any kinds of crochet shoes and other items. Thank you. Bye.